CoreWeave and Dell announced the first cloud provider deployment of NVIDIA's latest GB300 NVL72 AI systems for customers. This deployment features liquid-cooled Dell servers that incorporate 72 NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra GPUs and 36 ARM-based NVIDIA Grace CPUs. CoreWeave provides large-scale access to graphics processing units, GPUs, via the cloud, making it a crucial service for both AI startups and mature enterprises. The company plans to deploy significantly more NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra Dell servers throughout the year. The NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra GPUs offer 50% more performance compared to their predecessor, Blackwell. According to NVIDIA, the GB300 NVL72 platform represents a major leap in performance for AI reasoning and agentic workloads, delivering up to a 10x boost in user responsiveness, a 5x improvement in throughput, per watt compared to the previous generation NVIDIA Hopper architecture, and a 50x increase in output for reasoning model inference. CoreWeave collaborated with Dell, Switch, and Vertiv to build the initial deployment of NVIDIA GB300 NVL72 systems, enabling greater speed and efficiency to bring the latest NVIDIA GPUs to CoreWeave's AI cloud platform. The deployment is tightly integrated with CoreWeave's cloud-native software stack, including its CoreWeave Kubernetes service and Slurm on Kubernetes. This achievement continues CoreWeave's legacy of delivering first-to-market access to the world's most advanced AI infrastructure demanded by the world's leading AI labs and enterprises. The company has a history of being among the first to offer cutting-edge NVIDIA GPUs and systems, including the NVIDIA H200 GPUs and the NVIDIA GB200 NVL72 system. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.